Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I'm back with a new video. We've got a new pair of wireless earphones to review on my desk. They're brand new truly wireless stereo earbuds from Procus and are called the Emperor. Now we've got two of these earphones both in different colors. One is for the review and the other one is a giveaway for you guys. Both the boxes look identical. We'll just put one of them aside and unbox this one. So this is how the box packing looks like. It's a simple square box. You've got a picture of the wireless earbuds here and the Procus Emperor branding at the bottom. There's nothing else written on the front. Let me grab my knife and cut this outer packing. I want to thank Procus for sending me this product for review. Okay, looks like there's a note over here. Let me show you what that is. Oh, it's a warranty card. Let's just put it aside and check out the specs of the earphones. The model is Procus Emperor, the Bluetooth version is 4.2, each of these earbuds have a 60 mAh battery, the company claims the talking time is around 2 to 3 hours and charging them takes about 60 minutes. These earpods also come with a dedicated charging case with the built-in 500 mAh battery. The frequency response range is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz and the impedance is 32 ohms. The price on the box is 5,499 rupees, but this thing is available for around 5,000 rupees online. So that was about the specs and the details of these wireless earbuds. Now let's get started with the unboxing. So this is how the inside of the box looks like. What is this? I think this is the charging case for the earpods. Yep, it's a charging case. Whoa, now that's a new design. Looks like two big capsules joined together. They open up like this. The earpods are not inside, they come separately in the box. Let me show them to you. So here are the Procus Emperor truly wireless earbuds. The design looks unique and stylish. We'll come back to them again. First, let's see what else do we have in the box. You get a user manual, just make sure to read it for all the info. You also get two pairs of rubber ear tips, a dual micro USB to USB cable for charging the earbuds, and you also get a good quality carry pouch in the box. So these were all the stuff we got in the box. Now let's check out the Procus Emperor earpods. So this is how they look like. They come in two colors, black and white. We are checking out the white one currently. These earbuds have a smooth glossy finish. The body is completely made of high quality plastic and the design looks a lot like the Apple earpods. They're also IPX5 water resistant, so you can also use them during workouts. And each of these earbuds weigh only about 5 grams. That is really lightweight. Let me put them aside and show you the charging case. The charging case has a capsule-like design. Even this is made of plastic and has a smooth glossy finish on it. At the bottom you have two micro USB ports to charge both the earbuds separately. Each earbud has a 60 mAh battery. Let me open them up and show you. There's nothing inside except the charging contacts. You got the Procus branding on both the sides. Alright, let me put the earbuds in the capsule and show you. These earbuds attach magnetically to the contacts, so there's no hassle at all. Just drop them like this and they fix in their position automatically. And once you put them inside, the earpods start charging. You've got status indicators on both the earpods as well as the charging case. Now let me show you the Emperor earpods in black color as well. So this is how they look in both the colors side by side. The black color model has a rubberized matte finish on them, whereas the white ones have a smooth gloss finish. I like both the colors but prefer the black ones more as it's got red accents on it and love the matte finishing. And this is how the Emperor earbuds look in both the colors. These earbuds only have a single multifunction button on them and also have a microphone. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Procus Emperor are truly wireless earbuds. They're really lightweight and comfortable to wear. There is no hassle of wires and fit perfectly in my ears. But the noise isolation was not that good. And since they are IPX5 water resistant, they can also be used during workouts. And talking about the audio quality was good but not the best I've heard in that price. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt nice, the treble quality was also decent. But I was not that satisfied with the bass. There was very less bass in it, but the overall audio quality was good. The distortion was also less even at max volume and the audio output was also really high. The quality of the mic was also good during call conversations. Now coming to the battery life was decent. On an average I was getting around 7 to 8 hours of music playtime at 80% volume level and charging them took about 2 hours. The charging case has a built-in 500 mAh battery and can charge your earpods up to 4 times, which is really awesome. So that was my review on the Procus Emperor earphones. They're good truly wireless earbuds, have a unique design, build quality is awesome and the battery life is also decent. The only thing they could have improved was the bass. And also one more thing I'd like to tell you is, you cannot place the earpods with the ear tips inside the case. Every time you need to put the ear tips on while using and remove them when charging. The company should have done something about that. Other than that, everything else was fine. And before I end this video, I told you there was a special giveaway, right? Yes, I'll be giving away one of these 5000 rupees Procus Emperor earphones to one of my lucky subscriber. To participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is follow me on my social media accounts like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And also you have to follow Procus on their social media accounts. That's it guys, very simple. I'll leave all the links in the description box below. The giveaway will run for about 2 weeks from today and the winner will be chosen randomly and announced on both my YouTube and Twitter account. All the details will be in the description box below. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.